Hey everyone, want to use Google Fonts in Adobe Illustrator? In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use Google Fonts in Illustrator step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Fonts website. Browse through the font library and choose the font family you want for your design. Next, download the font files to your computer and extract the zip folder. Now install the font on your system. Adobe Illustrator uses the fonts available on your computer, so the font must be installed before using it. After installing the font, restart Adobe Illustrator if it was already running. Next, open your Illustrator project and select the asterisk type tool asterisk from the toolbar. Create or select a text object, then open the font menu from the top toolbar or character panel. Search for your newly installed Google font and select it to apply it to your text. Adjust settings like font size, weight, tracking, alignment, and spacing to match your design style. Finally, save your Illustrator project and use your new Google font for logos, illustrations, posters, or other creative designs. And that's how to use Google Fonts in Adobe Illustrator. With the right fonts, you can create clean and professional vector designs easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.